Baby Falls and Bald River Falls in Cherokee National Forest.
Okay, now we are back to business. We're back to business, y'all.
Let's go.
Thank you for joining us today. Welcome back. Hi everyone. Gi kami ani galing Kasanuga Falls. If you saw a video before this video, entering Cherokee National. Today's festivities, we're going to see two waterfalls, Bald River Falls and Baby Falls. So thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you like this video. Thank you guys. Enjoy.
Now I can only walk over. Oh no, it's a private driveway. Oh, it's somebody's driveway. Private driveway. Oh, that's a nice bridge for there. Just, man, you can't see their house. It goes back into the woods back there. Oh. Harley Davidson. Okay. Ironworks Grill. Harley Davidson. Closed for season. Bunch of cabins in Creekside over here.
This is really pretty on a pole.
Bald River Falls, Cherokee National Forest. That was right there up the road. Look at the hike. Oh, that's beautiful. Go check it out. Oh no, you're good. All right, everybody, welcome to Bald River Falls in the Cherokee
National Forest.
Yes, yep.
Yes.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoy all the pictures and videos we're taking of this falls. We're about to go on a little trail. We don't have much time left, but this little trail goes up to the top of the falls. We're gonna go check it out, so enjoy. Right now we're heading up to the top of Bald River Falls.
It's a little cold.
Yeah. It's probably in the upper 40s right now, and that group of, I guess, teenagers, where they were up there in the river waiting around in the water. That water's so cold right now.
Good.
Yeah. Feels a lot better though without the backpack. Yeah, nice. That's pretty. See, that's the falls right there. Different section of the river. Yeah. It might go on more, I don't know, but that's for us today. It's all we need. The top of Bald River Falls. But I like it. You're welcome, baby. I'm glad you like it too. Ooh, what a great hike that was. It was really short. But to the top of Bald River Falls out here in the Cherokee National Forest, right on the edge of the Cherokee Nation. That's actually only about 10 miles from here, across the border of Cherokee Nation. So anyway, this is all part of Tennessee, always beautiful and wonderful.
And this is gonna be waterfalls number 3. Number 1, that was Casanova Falls. We have a video of that before this video. And Baby Falls. Waterfalls number 3. Come on, baby.
All the carvings from the water.
Yeah.
Pretty cool looking.
Yeah, I like this area because this actually have a bathroom. Ooh, about that. You know, so that's good.
Lord, it's so clear. Imagine how pretty good the sun hitting it on.
The water is clear.
There's Baby Falls. Here we go a little further. There you go. Baby Falls. Also in Cherokee National Forest. Tennessee side. Baby Falls in Cherokee National Forest. The water is just so clear. They have all these little tubes, or at least one that looks like a tube at the base of Baby Falls. If you zoom in, you can see water coming out of it. Or at least it appears to be. Alright everybody, this is Baby Falls and Cherokee National Forest in Tennessee. For the last waterfall for today, it's almost dark, but we have a little bit of lighting first night. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. So long and fun!